Track and field action now. Edwin and St. Jago retained their respective girls and boys titles as the Central Championships ended at the GC Foster College today. As we continue our build-up to the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, we highlight some of the top performances from the Central region. Jordan Fort reports.
Hydel High's Karika Hill showed her quality, taking the 100-meter hurdles 200-meter double, with the hurdles win coming in a record time to top the girls' class 2 100 hurdles field, erasing the 13:39 set by her teammate Anika Wilson in 2020. And it's a clean start, good start from Edwin and Sante Wilson. Here comes Karika Hill now. Karika Hill is in control at the moment. Look at Karika Hill, keep a look on the clock as well. Karika Hill of Hydel storms away with the win. Look at the clock. If that is legal, it's 13:18 is the flash time. Let's see what it comes back at, 13:21. If it's legal, that will be a new record in this event. Hill showed no signs of tiredness when she returned in the 200 meters as she marched away from the field in 23.57 seconds to lead home a Hydel 1-2 in the 100-meter hurdles. And Hill is really stepping here. Karika Hill of Hydel is in control fully. The record is 23:24. Karika Hill is running riot here in the Class 2 girls 200 meters. Hill crosses the line first, 23:60. The time on the clock, so as long as that doesn't get rounded down significantly, the record survives. Edwin Allen's Brian Level continued his excellent form this season, easily taking the Class 1 200 meters for boys in 20.71 seconds, just a hundredth of a second outside the record, 20.70.
They're into the straightaway now. Davidson starting to come back at Brian Level. He won't get back. Davidson eases up. Level comes through to the line. It's 20.83 the flash time. Davison gave up with about 50 meters to go. It's 20.71.
A new mark was also established in the girls' class 2 1500 meters, with Homo Technical's Ricky Ann Sims clocking 4 minutes 38.53 seconds. Homo Technical pipped Edwin Allen, clocking 3 minutes 41.21 seconds to win the girls 4x400 meters, while Manchester upset the field, clocking 3 minutes 17.41 to win the boys' event to close the show. In the end, Edwin Allen retained their girls' crown with 375.2 points. Hydel took second with 305.6 points. St. Jago third with 197.5 points, with Homo Technical 220 points and St. Catherine 175.5 points, rounding out the top five. St. Jago held on to their boys' title with another dominant performance, scoring 404.5 points, with Edwin Allen a distant second with 175 points, Clarendon College third with 120 points, St. Catherine with 98, and Manchester with 83 points, ending fourth and fifth. Reporting from the GC Foster College, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.